Sag gleich.
Please welcome Ola Kalenius, Chairman of the Board of Management of Daimler AG and Head of Mercedes-Benz Cars.
Noch weit mehr Optionen zur Verfügung. Vom elektrischen Smart EQ4.
Guten Morgen und herzlich willkommen bei Mercedes-Benz auf der IAA 2019. Meine Damen und Herren, ich denke, es ist offensichtlich, Mercedes-Benz ist elektrisch. Elektrifizierung ist sicherlich das prominenteste Thema auf dieser IAA.
Cut stars in the taillights.
Aber wenn wir über Design sprechen,
Oder die Momente, die schlicht Spaß und Freude bringen.
muss ohne lokale Emissionen abdecken. Aufgabe ist heute die individuelle Mobilität ohne Emissionen mit dem Thema CO2-Reduktion. Die wichtigsten Ziele sind, wir haben sie erstmals exklusiv voll auszunutzen. EQ-Modelle haben wir mit unseren Lieferanten Maßnahmen ergriffen, um einen Teil der Batteriezellen CO2-neutral zu verwenden. Gut 400 Kilometer elektrische Reichweite und gleichzeitig Platz für bis zu 8 Personen. Ist ein Teil unserer DNA. Verkehrssicherheit noch weiter voraus Fußgänger und signalisiert mir zu jeder Zeit, dass es mich gesehen hat. Plus den Folgeverkehr informiert es per Livebild auf der Heckscheibe, dass sich voraus ein Fuß. Wenn ökologische Innovation ist, die globalen Import.
The IAA, the Frankfurt Auto Show, is very important to Daimler. It is the biggest, but in our view also the most important auto show in the world. And of course, it's a home game for us. So here we have a platform where we can show automotive innovation. What does mobility of the future look like? That's what we will be presenting here in Frankfurt. Our founding fathers, Gottlieb Daimler and Carl Benz, they redefined, you could almost say invented, individual mobile freedom with the invention of the car. The success of the car has shown and has changed the world. Now we're on the step of reinventing the original invention. That invention has to be sustainable. We have to go to a CO2 neutral world in the future, reduce emissions, and that is what our sustainable business strategy is all about. We call it Ambition 2039. In 20 years' time, we strive for a carbon neutral new car passenger fleet from Mercedes-Benz.
For us as Mercedes is absolutely clear. We want to offer until 2022 a full electrified product portfolio for our customers. And an excellent example you see here, the A-Class plug-in hybrid, the first in the compacts, offering up to 70 kilometer range. So our customers during the week can mainly drive fully electric. And this is just a starting point for a full electrified product portfolio, which consists out of the 48-volt technology or the plug-in hybrids or full electric vehicles in the future. The first 6 months in 2019 have been quite challenging for the automotive industry. For us at Mercedes, the best ever July and the best ever August 2019, showing a double-digit growth for us, makes us very confident that we will conclude the year until end of 2019 with a slight increase above previous year's sales.
The course of Mercedes-Benz cars in R&D basically is a road to sustainability. And the key element of this road to sustainability is the electric drive. So this will be the main road. So we cannot do it alone in many instances. We need partners and new architectures. So a key element as well on this road is digitalization. Digitalization of processes and of the product. So our next steps to CO2 reduction and our contribution to a positive impact in climate change is our product strategy. So our main road will be electric, but we are open in terms of technology. We parallel will follow up with a fuel cell. This might be an opportunity for the future as well. We are looking at different architectures dedicated for electric vehicles. So all in all, we will have 10 electric models in the near future and 20 plug-in models.